Mr. Raffle. I ain't got no money, bitch. Mr. Raffle. We ain't dead yet. You ain't got no balls. You child. Yo, Hector. Mr. Raffle. Shoes expensive. Get your fingers out your ears. Get your finger out your ears. Go ahead and go wash your hands. Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands. Before you contaminate the whole goddamn place, baby. Everybody be safe out there. From the corona, I'm out. And if you don't, you're going to be looking like... If not, you're going to be looking like shit. Strange duty. You're going to be feeling like doo-doo. So, mask up. Wash up. So you don't feel like duty. All right, man. Peace.
Jordan 5. Top 3.
I think it's a nice damn shoe.
Decked out in
Nubuck. Upper. Black.
also
We gonna get into it. Just wait.
the Jordan 5 Top 3. One of my top 25 of the year shoe. A good shoe for somebody that just messes up shoes and you're just hard on shoes and you only got like a chance to get like one shoe. I think this is a good pick right here. What it consists up on it here, like we were saying, was black nubuck with traditional plastic on the both side panels and on the tongue. You got up on top that grape.
Stop coming up to me. I have it on Zoom.
You got on top the grape, tag up on there. Jumpman is aqua. I like the hits up on here with the 23. It brings out the shoe. I like how they put the Nike up on there. Look up on here with the Nike in the back. I think the 23 sticks out real good. This consists of 3 different shoes. You got up on here the midsole. You got it on red, and you got it icy, and then you got that metallic shark fin. The shark fin metallic is from the metallic 5s. Up top is the great ones, and then the other ones were the fire reds, which is the midsole, and that's on both sides. The midsole. This shoe is a good shoe. The only thing I find on these shoes, the inside lining is all black, and also the insole is black with white Jumpman, with a white Nike sign in there. No Jumpman, white Nike sign. You get to see on the plastic eyelids up on there. They put with the plastic eyelids up on there. See that back again. The traditional lace lock is in clear. That nice red and black looking nice in that back with the icy. The only thing with icy is everybody knows that sometimes it's gonna turn yellow with blows. Start to yellow out. The turquoise underneath the Jumpman matches the tongue. And we're going to get into what's the problem with these shoes, because I ordered 3 different shoes and they all had the same problem. Nah, you can leave it alone. Alright, now we get into the minor first on this shoe right here. As you see right there with the metallic with the black speckles, the shark fin, you see where it ends, and you see where the icy starts, and then where it ends, and then where the red is supposed to be. If you look up on the red, you see how I got that glue right there hanging there. Now, I would think that's supposed to be red. The whole thing is supposed to be red. The part that's supposed to be red It's supposed to be red, but it's not on this one. Let's get now. This one is the next one. As you see right there, I've been trying to wipe that off from the giddy up on the midsole. Right there, looking like a pen mark or something like that. Then, as you see again, the icy part is still on that red part. There, you see where the red and where it ends. So, I would like to even see how Tinker drew it up. Where does it end? You see how the shark fin ends perfectly there, but then there's nothing on the red part. But then on this part, you see the icy end, and then you got that little there. I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not, but that's the next thing. Like I said, that right there, you see how that is? That blows on the shoe. And we're about to go check another one. It's supposed to be red, and then you got a little bit of the glue. So they do that. The factories could put the whole shoe together, but once they put that midsole with the outsole to the upper, it seems like the glue leaks out, and then it gets it on the shoe. So right there, I think that's supposed to be red, because it's a red midsole. But instead, you get a little bit of the glue. So that's the next. All right, now on this next shoe, we find the problem inside the bubble. See right there, where it's supposed to be all red, you got that white there. So it's just showing you it's just a sloppy job of putting that red on there on top of the bubble. Actually, it's just a sloppy job completely. It's not all even, but I just picking straws. But you see the little white part. When you got a little white part on red, it kind of kills the shoe. You see all the mistakes because it's red. Here's the next thing. Look how the shoe in the back evenly, the paint on the what you call it, midsole. I mean on the outsole, the icy outsole. Look at that. It's a little bit off. It's not even completely even. As I say, it's not drew up the way Tinker had it. It's not drew up the way Nike had it. What it is that the factories are failing them. Then look on this side. Look at how that paint blobs right into that. Look at that. To the bubble. Look how it's even everywhere else, and then look at that blob on your left hand side. You know? So, and then look again with the icy part, how it leaks onto the ice. Like, where does it supposed to end on the icy to the red? I would think to the beginning of the red, I would think the icy is supposed to stop, but it looked like they put a little bit of icy still on the red part. So it's like that. And then look on there. Look at that on the paint there also. So it's not a good job. It's not a good job. And you know, you can say it's minor. Okay. Here's another side of the shoe, the other shoe. Up on there, the other side. And you see again on there the icy. You don't know where the icy end into the red, so that stuff is onto the red part. That's what it seems like on most of them. On 3 of the shoes, they got that part right here wrong, with the icy and the red part. I would like to see how they actually made it up, how it was actually supposed to be, because there you go again. And then here's the kicker. I don't know if you can see that. Supposed to be hanging off, see? Look at that. Like how you have a piece of your skin coming off. And then your nail thing, when you pull it and go, ah, it start bleeding. Look at that. So right where the paint job is in the back, when the thing is peeling out. So if you touch it, look at that. Trying to get y'all to see it. Well, you can see it more right there. Clearly there's something's wrong with it. Even if you can't see it completely, it's coming out. You see? And that's the paint job on here. Alright, baby, as you see on the back of the midsole, you got that red stuff right there. So that's just a no, don't even make sense. I try to wipe it off and then come on. That don't even make sense. Come on, Jordan Factory. Stop letting down Jordans and Nike. Peace. So as long as if you can find this shoe with no problems. I say, to me, for a person that can't get a lot of shoes, like kids and stuff like that, I'll say, man, look into this. Matches everything. Durable, nice nubuck feel. Colors and everything is nice. Being all three different shoes. You know, with the metallic, with the fish teeth, and with the red right there, fire red, and the three-peat up top. Everything is cool. Inside, everything. I think it's just a cool shoe. I'm about to go. Thanks for rocking it out. And I'm about to be out of here. That's the underneath. And I'm about to be out of here. Peace. Thanks for rocking out. Raffle. Do me a favor. Let them ads play. Every ad is a cent. Usually I get like 2 ads. So it's like, if you let both of them play, it's like give me a 2-cent tip. 2-cent tip. So if you let one play, then you let 1 cent tip. Let an ad play. I'm out. Peace.
Niggas know I love to smoke. I love to smoke. My young niggas, they love to talk. They love to talk. That loud got a nigga moving slow. Moving slow. We letting shit go for the low. OZs and QPs, nigga got it go. My hood screaming squad K, boy, fucking slow. Like a roll up, you gon' get slow.
Yeah, man. Final analysis on this. Fit true to size. You have to unloose the lace locks with certain people, but fit true to size to me. Feels comfortable. Might, like I said in the beginning, feel a little thing. Felt a little, maybe a little tightly tight, but I'll say it fit true to size. Also, I say it's one of the best shoes to me out there. I'm mad that I gotta give it up, but it's messed up with a little piece on there, so I gotta get it back. I'm out. Nike, man, make them factories, Jordan, make them factories do better. I'm out. Peace.